We will see how to do hospital accounting for lab reports. For demo, we will create new account for hospital with hospital name 123. We will create 2 demo reports like this one. Fill the details related to this report. Click on Invoice tab to add amount and details. You can add multiple entries like report charges, visit charges, or any other charges. They can be printed in invoice also. We are creating new invoice for the same account. Select the account name and click on Create Invoice. Fill the other info, select the test group to add tests. Click on Invoice tab to add charges. For simplicity, we are adding only one charge or 100 for both of reports. You can see the account net balance in Reports section. Expand the accounting and balance, select all accounts and click on Create Report. It will automatically calculates and shows all accounts and their corresponding amounts related to purchase or sales service, also debit and credits. As you see, for hospital name 123 column, we have created 2 reports of each costing 100, so total of 200 is showing in total sale. We haven't added any credit entry, so net balance is negative, means we have to get money from that account yet. If the hospital or client paid you, then we have to add credit entry. In payment section, select the account name from box, then enter the payment amount in numbers and click on Add button to save the entry. You can print the credit voucher for them also. Now again we will see how the net balance changes. We have added the credit entry of 150, so it will be added to hospital account. Software automatically shows net balance of -50, means still 50 amount is pending from hospital. You can zoom the report, print or export it to Excel, Word or PDF. Consider if you have given 50 amount to hospital account, so now we will add 50 amount entry debit. So now we know hospital owes us 100 worth of amount. As you see in reports, it's showing -100. We will get 100 amount from hospital account. Consider if you used any services from that hospital like equipments or anything which you have to pay, then enter the amount and details and expenses. Add them for accounting. Software will automatically manage them to calculate net balance. Expenses are added in net balance. As you see in reporting, before expenses hospital have to pay us 100 worth of amount, but we added expense entry of 100 worth of amount, so the net balance is now 0. That means the account is nil. If net balance is positive, it means we have to give or pay that amount to that account. You can also watch detailed accounting in accounting menu, where all taxes, discounts, extras are shown in very detailed view. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.